Hello viewers, welcome to my Doctor Who themed YouTube channel, Who Ventures, and I have the new sonic screwdriver and the new Doody doll. So this is a 13th Doctor Adventure doll, and she cuts real fabric clothes, a new sonic screwdriver accessory. So it looks amazing. I picked this up off Amazon. So this is in the box, and this is what the back of the box looks like. I think this is really cool. And I also, at the same time, off Amazon, I picked up the new Sonic. So let's get these out of the packaging and we'll have a close look. Yay! So this is the Sonic. I think it looks really cool. It's quite HR Geiger. So it's still got the demonstration batteries in, so I haven't quite figured it out yet. So it does that, which is cool. I don't know if it's the other, there's underground, is it Underground Toys? They've got one, and the end rotates, but I can't say the light looks cool. I can't wait to see Jodie actually construct this on the show, and I hope they sell her steampunk goggles too, because they're awesome. And also, as a Mia, I also love the new trailer. I love that song they use. I really like the song. I think it's really cool, and it's definitely got into my head. Because I've started having some dreams about seeing episodes that have the episodes from my head. So I'm really excited for the first episode. It's going to be amazing, especially interested to see Bradders, because he's fun. But it looks amazing too. So this now is just randomly lighting up in my hand. So you've got that sound, and it lights up the end, which is really cool. That sound. So it's like, so that's cool, and it just randomly is lit. Yeah, it just randomly starts lighting up on you. It's really cool. I like it a lot. It's really fun. I like the shape. Yeah, quite like the feel of it. So you have very awesome. I like it. It's so fun. Love it. So now I'm going to open the 13th Doctor doll and we'll have a closer look. I love this. It's so cool. So this is the 13th Doctor they call it Adventure Doll out of the box. It was really difficult to get it out of the box, so if you've got younger kids who are getting this doll, you will have to, they will need an adult to take it out of the box. It's so difficult to get out of the box, which is annoying. But once you get her out of the box, she's amazing. Now the knee joints, I think they could be a bit tighter on the knee joints, because it doesn't really hold the knee pose. But that, I just love that it's a fabric outfit. This is going to be so helpful to use as a drawing doll, like, because she's got pretty good articulation, and you can get all figure out your angles in your drawing, because I hold the doll in the pose I want, and I hold it and draw it like that. It is, oh, this is so cool. So these are the knee joints. The boots, the boots aren't removable, and the socks are plastic, but the boots look, the detail on the boots is really cool. This bit on the coat is pinned with just a little bit of thread, so I suppose you could undo that a bit, but then if you did undo that, that would mean it would be split up the back all the way up to there. So, and the rainbow taping on the coat is really cool. It's full. It is a full rainbow, and then the rainbow on the t-shirt goes all the way around the back of the shirt, and she's got ribbons for her yellow braces, and she does have the white long sleeves under the coat. The detail on her ear with her earrings is really cool, and as you can see, the face sculpt is really good, because you could see that that's a good angle. See the angles on the face sculpt works really well, so it is a really useful drawing doll too. So, oh, I love this. I can't wait till we get all of them together. Oh my gosh, I've just realised, I hope we do get a little Bradley adventure doll. I'm so excited for that. I'm so excited for Bradley's merch too. I'm so excited for all the merch, but this really cool. There isn't really any head rotation. You can't rotate the head, which is slightly disappointing, because that would be obviously, but you can just rotate it that way. I love all the angles you can get from this. This is going to be really useful for my drawing. This is so cool. The hands do twist at the wrist, and her Sonic looks really cool. It would have been cool if they painted the yellow on the crystal at the end, but it still looks cool. The fake pockets in the coat, and she doesn't have pockets on the trousers. Oh, I love this. Oh, I kind of wish they would go back to the start with the other doctors and do a whole range at this price point, because there is the big chief figures, but the sculpting on those isn't that good on a lot of them, and they're like mega bucks. So if we got more figures like this at the reasonable price point, I do have the, when they released a 10-inch Tennant and Matt Smith doll, so I've got these. I love it. So I'm very happy with this merch, and I'm happy I picked it up before the series starts. So she'll be accompanying me on my TV, on my episode reviews. Oh, I love this. I love it. So yeah, I'd say this definitely gotta get it merch. So I hope you have enjoyed this review, and thank you for watching. Yay!